And once the decoder powers back on and the startup screen appears, you'll know the issue is finally resolved. Most DV decoder booting problems are caused by power or startup glitches, and these simple fixes usually get everything working again. If your DV decoder is not booting up, the first thing you should check is the power cable. Inspect the cable carefully for any visible damage, like cuts, fraying, or exposed wires. If you notice any damage, replace the cable immediately. Even if the cable looks fine, try using a different power cable to rule out any hidden issues. If that doesn't work, the next step is to reboot the decoder properly. Unplug the decoder from the power outlet and let it sit for a few minutes so all remaining power drains out. Plug it back in, then press and hold the P plus button. When the message code appears on the screen, release the button and press the sequence P, P plus, P plus, PP, P plus, P plus, P to boot the decoder correctly. If the decoder still doesn't boot up after trying these steps, the final option is to contact DStv support. Visit their official website and click the live chat icon at the bottom right corner for help or contact support directly. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Here we share quick and easy fixes for everyday tech problems. If this video helped you, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and thanks for watching.